Hey, could you connect all your favorite LLMs in one? This is OpenRouter. All right, so how can you get all your large language models in one place? I'm going to show you exactly how this is unified interface for LLMs. What is it? OpenRouter. So instead of getting Claude and then Gemini and ChatGPT and trying to stick them all into one thing, which people has actually tried to do, or keeping 6 tabs open or 15 subscriptions, which nobody wants to do that, and it's very, very expensive, you can get it all here. One API, all the models right here. So you want Claude, you want GPT, you want Muse, they're all here and they're ready to go. So you can simply sign up, grab some credits, then grab the API right here, and it makes it very, very simple. So what models actually exist? Now, I've done videos on all these different models. So if you want to see like, okay, how does ChatGPT work? What can I use Claude for? Things like that, I recommend go check those out as well. But this is much, much more than that. Yes, it has Claude. Well, if we go to text, okay, these are like LLMs, Gemini, and Google, Meta. So you can ask Meta. You can ask Claude. There's Cohere. There's stuff that you probably haven't even heard of, NVIDIA. Now, okay, I want to generate image. I've done a video on image generation, but where do you find good image generation? Here, Microsoft, Korea, OpenAI, Source, Recraft, all this type of stuff. Embeddings right here. So if you want to embed stuff, it literally never ends. Audio. Google, boom, boom, boom. If you want video, yes, everybody likes video. Alibaba, which I'll do something cool on Higgsfield as well. But if you want to create cool videos, re-rank, speech, transcription, and those are just the models. You can actually see the fusion. So if you want a budget, like say, I don't know, we want to have all these ones right here, the synthesizer, Claude, Opus Plus, we can actually see how to run multiple models side by side. So what works good for budget, what works fast. Well, and then you can custom do it. So you can add models here, like I can do this. I want Claude, for example. You can pick that. You can see which ones actually suit you. So I can go ahead, like I like this one, Voyage, Kimmy, all that stuff. So that's pretty cool that you can do all of that. Now, you also have a chat here. So if you just want to chat, reasoning models, talk to one of these, play with it, it's right here. Then we also have the rankings. So who is the best? You might just say like, I don't want to do all of them. I get it. There's too many to do. Take more than a lifetime, but, and let alone to use all of them and all the combinations. But you can find the top models, the leaderboard, the market share, the benchmarks, the fastest models, the languages right here, and the apps. And here are all the different apps right here. Jump, play with them. And also the documentation. So you can see the quick start. You can think of this like the white paper. How do you get started with everything? What do you do? So that is OpenRouter in a nutshell. Very simple to use, very easy to use. I think if you're going to use something right here, make it happen for you. OpenRouter is the place that you want to check out. That being said, let me know what you think down below. I think this is extremely useful. Pick the models you like, pick the budgets you want, and then just start playing with that. And it has better prices, uptime. Last thing is you're probably going to ask, what the heck are the prices? It depends what you pick. So there's a ton of stuff here. Like say I want to do auto router, you can actually see all the information here, get the API key, and then after that, you can see their pricing. So, and it'll even tell you what this is if you don't know. That is OpenRouter. Combine your favorite LLMs, combine your favorite image generation, combine all the awesome audio, and make it happen. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and catch you in the next one.